Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a company that is designing safety products. Now without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that we want a logo for our brand Go Tech Plus. We are a family business designing and making safety products like safety gloves, shoes, helmets, etc. for industrial sector. The logo will be printed on these safety products. Depending upon the product, logo will be printed mostly in white, black or red. Please design simple and bold concept that can also be visible clearly in small size like on safety gloves. Now the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the business, or you can say the name of the logo, which is Go Tech Plus. And the second important point is that they are designing and making safety products. Now let's continue with the mind mapping process based on these 2 points. Logo name and safety products. For the name of the logo, we can either use the initial letter G or we can use the combination of letter G and letter T. And for the safety products, we can use different products like safety gloves, safety helmets, safety shoes, or to design something different and special, we can use elements like a shield. So I decided to design our logo by using the combination of letter G and shield. And after sketching different designs, this was the finalized version. Now let's break down this one into different parts to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the letter G and this part represents the shield. And now this is for today's video. You can share your thoughts about the design in the comments section, that whether you liked it or not, or if you want to suggest any modifications. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for visiting and have a nice day.